What is international relations? International relations, often referred to as international affairs, is the study of the interaction of nation-states and non-governmental organizations in fields such as politics, economics, and security. Professionals work in academia, government, and non-profits to understand and develop cooperative exchanges between nations that benefit commerce, security, quality of life, and the environment. The study and practice of international relations is interdisciplinary in nature, blending the fields of economics, history, and political science to examine topics such as human rights, global poverty, the environment, economics, globalization, security, global ethics, and the political environment. Exceptional economic integration, unprecedented threats to peace and security, and an international focus on human rights and environmental protection all speak to the complexity of international relations in the 21st century. This means the study of international relations must focus on interdisciplinary research that addresses, anticipates, and ultimately solves public policy problems. It is important to note that international relations has a broad purpose in contemporary society as it seeks to understand the origins of war and the maintenance of peace, the nature and exercise of power within the global system, and the changing character of state and non-state actors who participate in international decision-making. For example, some institutions may study the psychological and social-psychological reasoning behind the actions of foreign policymakers, while others may focus their international studies on the institutional processes that contribute to the goals and behaviors of states. Ultimately, the area of international relations studied depends on the goals or objectives of the organization. It is equally important to note that the study and practice of international relations in today's world is valuable for many reasons. First, international relations promote successful trade policies between nations. Second, international relations encourages travel related to business, tourism, and immigration, providing people with opportunities to enhance their lives. Third, international relations allows nations to cooperate with one another, pool resources, and share information as a way to face global issues that go beyond any particular country or region. Contemporary global issues include pandemics, terrorism, and the environment. And fourth, international relations advances human culture through cultural exchanges, diplomacy, and policy development.